Hi guys, I'm Eleftheria Manjourou. I'm an alternative medicine instructor, and in this video we'll be talking about Malva sylvestris, the common mallow, which is this herb. It's known as molocha in Greek. So watch the video to learn about the medicinal uses and how it's edible. Malva sylvestris is a plant in the Malva genus, of course, and in the family Malvaceae. It has a very long use in traditional herbal medicine. The most valuable ingredient in mallow is a substance called mucilage. Mucilage is pretty much present in many members of the Malvaceae family, but especially in Malva sylvestris. Mucilage is present in all parts of this plant, but especially in the seeds, these tiny guys here, and this is called marshmallow. The seeds can be used internally as a decoction, or they can also be used in poultices because they have demulcent properties and they're also emollient. As for the mallow leaf, it is absolutely edible. It is going to be a little bit harsh if you eat it raw, so I advise you to steam it or boil it in stews and soups. You can also use it in lactofermentation if you're adept at this process. This is going to add valuable micronutrients and an extra taste in your dishes, if of course you know how to do a lactofermentation. Some people have used the flowers of mallow in order to obtain a natural dye. While it is true that you can obtain a purple shade with these flowers, this natural dye will not be exactly resistant, so I don't advise you to do that. It's much better to use mallow as a medicinal herb. Now, it's true that while this plant has mucilage and it's very beneficial for digestive problems, especially when there is an irritation in the digestive tract, its cousin Althea officinalis is has much more valuable medicinal properties, and it's used more often in herbal medicine. However, if you do not have access to Althea officinalis, or if you just want free medicine, you can as well use Malva sylvestris. Other important plants in the Malvaceae family are okra, cacao, and the fruit durian. A very typical feature of Malvaceae family is this long stamen, which you can see here. This is a feature that we don't have, for example, in the Rosaceae family, this long stamen here. You can also use mallow for irritation of the mouth and the skin. You can make a decoction with the leaf and apply it directly to your skin. If you use it in cooking, you can actually also thicken your soups because of the mucilage mallow contains. Also, you can add the leaf and the flower in pickles. Also, the seeds contain important omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and now that it's springtime, don't forget to enjoy the beautiful mallow. Be always well.